In today's video, I am decluttering in my laundry room. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Yes, I am sitting in front of my washing machine. Today I decluttered in my laundry room for the 40 bags in 40 days challenge. I want to thank my friend here on YouTube, Sara from The Silver Lining, for hosting this collaboration, and I want to thank my friend Candance from That Canadian Mom and my friend Danielle from Clean House Simple Mama for participating in this challenge as well. I cannot wait to see everything that they decluttered this week. This was a really hard video for me to do today. As I began my decluttering journey, I had a dear friend who would find homes for everything. When I decluttered all my teaching stuff, she actually found a school to donate it to, and she would come pick up my stuff, and she passed away today. So I just wanted to dedicate this video to her, and she fought a really long, hard battle with cancer, and I know that she is in a better place, and I know that she would want me to keep working on my house, keep making videos, and keep decluttering. So I am getting ready to do just that in my laundry room. So during this declutter session, I decluttered 2 cabinets above my washer and dryer, and then I decluttered a drawer in another cabinet also located in my laundry room. I realized as soon as I started to declutter that because I have so much on my mind, given the passing of a dear friend, that I was in one of those moods where I just wanted to just donate everything and give everything away. So I stepped back from that and I just did minimal cluttering just because I did not want to get rid of something that I would later regret. For example, those boxes and those vases, they're just pretty to me. I don't really use them. I'm thinking about decluttering those, and I may in the future. I think I need a better place to put light bulbs up there. And by the way, this is how I like to do some of my Mr. Clean Magic erasers. I like to cut them up so that I can not use so much at once. But anyway, like I was saying, I have these light bulbs that just do not fit on the shelf, and I do not really like the way they looked. I played around with trying to arrange them a little bit better, but maybe I need some baskets for the top for things like light bulbs. But I just decided, given my frame of mind, that it was best just to do minimal cluttering on this day. But again, like I said at the beginning of the video, I just felt like this is something my friend would want me to keep doing, and she always loved when I did the 40 bags in 40 days, so I really wanted to continue to do that for her.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
Yes, I am one of those doggy moms that lets Lily decide what she wants to keep and what she is ready to let go of. She
kind of has a way of showing me Molly does not play with toys, so basically all of these are Lily's toys.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Oh, nah, nah, nah. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, 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 we ain't got the time.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else, I got you.
Here are some items that I am going to dispose of. Some of them need to be disposed of properly, but I found just these refills, Swiffer refills that were just kind of laying out and they're dirty, so I'm going to dispose of these. And I'm going to put the things that I'm going to dispose of in this box, and then we will just call that a bag. These walnut scrubber sponges, they were old and had things sitting on them, so I'm going to throw those away. Plus, I do not need this many. I have exactly what I need. Another just spray bottle. I think I gave one of these away last week or the week before. I guess actually I could probably donate this one, so I'm going to add this one to the donating pile. And something else that I have to donate in here as well is this little beach blanket. It's like a little zipper thing, and it opens up and it has a beach blanket in it, but I do not, the material is hot, like if you're out at the beach or something, so I'm going to donate that as well. Another Swiffer refill. This is the Mrs. Meyer's mum scent. I bought it and did not like the scent at all. This is the Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegar. I tried this. The smell, like I can clean better with just vinegar than I can with this smell. Something about it just made me feel kind of nauseous. Plus I've had it for a while and it used to not, when I got it, it wasn't yellow. So I think that's a sign I should dispose of that. Then I have this Pledge multi-surface cleaner. Again, it's been in there forever, so I think it's safe to dispose of it. This 7th generation disinfecting bathroom cleaner. It gave me a headache. I could not use it, so I'm going to dispose of that. And then this 7th generation glass cleaner. I'm going to dispose of this. It is almost empty anyway, and it is old, so that fills up that box. So again, I have to dispose of all of that properly, but we will just call that a bag. So that is going to be, we'll just start here. So that's going to be bag number 9. Am I on bag number 9? Bag number, yeah, I think I'm on bag number 9. So, oh, this box. bag number 9. So let's see what else I found to declutter this week. So excuse the lighting in here. I am sitting in front of my laundry room and it's dark outside because sometimes that's the only time I have time to declutter. So for the trash, and I'm just gonna fill up this trash bag and we're just gonna call that bag 10. But Lily did not seem to have an interest in this small one. She had a larger toy that was like this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and throw that away. I found some old dog bags with some there's little things that go in the center of the bags in a drawer, so those can be thrown away. I have no idea what these go to, but they were in the drawer. I think that they went to something the dogs had because there are 2 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and throw those away. This is a donut. Lily did not seem to want this, so I'm going to throw it away. These are 2 little dog chew toys. Again, gonna throw those away. Okay, so there's some other random things that I found to either donate or trash. This is an old t-shirt, which is going to go into the trash. This is just a plain orange t-shirt. Just a Nike t-shirt. A gray t-shirt, and this has paint stains all over it, so I think this is just gonna go in the trash. This is a shirt from my closet. I have debated about this shirt for a while just because I like it, because it's so classic and I like the colors, but I just do not wear it, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate this. This brown belt I'm going to donate. This little cable box we do not use, I'm gonna throw that away. I have a developing products in half the time book from courtesy of my husband. He was decluttering that one. And I have the Power of Moments. Yeah, the Power of Moments book. Another book that my husband was decluttering. So I'm going to put that in the decluttering. And then I have these 2 tapered candles that just have no home. So therefore, I'm going to donate those. I also have this cleaning bottle that was never used. So this is going to be bag 11. And I also have a hamper that I am going to donate, along with this beach blanket that I think I already showed you. And then I have this picture that was hanging in the laundry room. So I don't guess I'm really gonna include those in a bag. And actually I think the hamper I'm gonna trash. Let me see if I can fit this into this bag. So this is bag 11. Then my husband cleaned out some shoes. So that should make bag 12. So we have some old Nike shoes that were used for cutting grass. Another pair of old Nike shoes, another pair of Nike shoes, and then a brown pair of shoes. So that takes up a bag. So 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is the end of the 3rd week and I now have 12 bags total, plus a pitcher, plus a hamper for the trash that I'm just not even counting. So I am at a good place. I did not get as much decluttering done this week as I had hoped, but I do have a lot of decluttering planned for next week if all goes according to the way I hope it will go. But this past week was just extremely busy. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you want, in the comments, you can tell me something that you decluttered or cleaned along with me. And I hope you guys find this video motivating and inspiring in some way, shape, or form. And Lily, what do you want to say? Take time to live, laugh, and... Lily says take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You got me too.
You can ride